Hello, in this video I will explain and show you how to use Sparklines in Microsoft Excel to visualize data perfectly. I created a table with the names of the candidates and their scores at each stage. The left column is the names of the candidates. At the top are the stages. The table has all sorts of numbers in it. Now we will convert the data into Sparklines. These will be very easy to read. To do this, let's highlight all the metrics for one person. Click on the Insert tab. Next, click on Charts. A window will appear where in the top row we see the cell range we have highlighted. In the bottom row, we need to enter the letter and number of the cell where our chart will be displayed. In our table it is N5. Here we have a sparkline. We can change its color, line width, adjust the contrast of peak points, marker color. Now I will customize it as I like it. Everything is ready and we are happy with the sparkline. Now we pull the cell down touching all candidates. Excel will automatically calculate the metrics and make a customized sparkline for everyone. If later we need to change the numbers in one of the columns, the graph will immediately change. Let me show you an example. All done! I hope this video was useful for you and will make your work easier. Have a nice day.